Hello and welcome to the another video. Welcome to the absolute beginner guide for Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm going to share you how you can count number of rows or columns in your data in Microsoft Excel. So I in a previous video I copied and show you that this is my budgeting data which I recorded as my expense for October 2023. So I'm going to count how many days are here. So I select this column, and here I first of all I have to select here in a specific. I press equal, then I write count. There are number of counts are there, so I am simply count, sorry, equal to count, and put a bracket and select here to put my range, and I enter here. And when I bracket the it counts at 23 values, 23 rows. And similarly, but what if I have to select something that has a that are alphanumeric values low. Suppose I am putting uh, these columns which includes raw empty rows and all those. So if I use the same function, it will not work. Some sorry, count bracket, and from this column to drag at the end of 29 rows. I end the bracket, I enter. When I enter, I found a zero value, because if I see again this function count, you can see count the number of cell range that contains number. So these are the string values or a text value. It will not work. For this I am going to use count a function. So count a function will be equal to count a bracket, and from first cell to going down and finally till this column. When I put enter, it give me a 12. Why? Because you can see there are a columns, there are cells which have empty value, there is no value is there. So my friends, this is the way you can count the rows, you can count the numbers, and even you can count the text value. See you in another video.